So, a blessed day, everyone. My name is Cindy Bernardes, Bachelor of Science in Customs Administration. And today, I will be discussing or explaining the special contracts of maritime commerce, Section 2, loans on bottomry and respondencia, and the Article 730. So, in this article, it says that meron silang loan, and this loan are before the voyage and during the voyage. Before the voyage for preparation for their travel, and the loans during the voyage is to save everyone. For example, there's an emergency, and that loan made them or helped them to save the vessel, to save everyone, especially the passengers. So, if ever the ship owner or the captain mag-loan before the voyage for preparation, and in the middle of the voyage or during the voyage, in the middle of the travel, naka-encounter sila ng emergency or some problems in the vessel, and that they need to loan in order for the safety of everyone para ma-fix yung vessel, and that loan is more important or mas priority to pay first. Kasi yung last loan, yun yung mas naka-experience ng delikado or risky. So that loan is mas preference or mas importante compared sa loan before the voyage. Kasi na-save yung passengers, na-save yung vessel, and even the cargoes. So, if ever na mag-pay na sila ng kanilang loan, ang una nilang babayaran is yung loan na pinakahuli. Kasi yun yung loan again na naka-encounter sila ng delikado or risky, and rason na na-save sila. So, may tinatawag din tayo na pro rata. For example, the vessel, during the voyage, nag-loan sila in the same port, same time, and same situation. If ever na mag-pay na sila, yung lahat ng loan na yon is babayaran nila ng kalahati. Kalahati. That's what we call pro rata. Again, the last loan or the loan during the voyage is mas priority to pay first than the loan before the voyage.